Hey guys, how are you doing? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of your favorite game, Modern Community, for iOS and Android. So as you can see guys, here we are in the game. We're pretty poor, but when we press this button, we can actually do unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn it up all the way. So let's see if the coins start increasing. Then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Modern Community mod so you can get unlimited coins. So let's see if it goes up. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's see what happens, and no change yet, but it might happen. So yeah, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super cool. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just type in this website right here, tweakmod.com. So let me just put this in. So this is the website where we can get the Modern Community mod. Of course, I can't actually spell it, so let me just put it in right here. Alright, so I'm on the website right now. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just want to download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then the Modern Community mod will be installed into your phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take long, guys. So I'm just going to let it download. So let's see what happens, and we should be rich. So Modern Community money is coming my way. So let's see if it actually increases. So now it is going to take us to the verification. So this is the last step. So you just need to download 2 of these apps. So as you can see, we got Mo Casino, Travel Town. This one's like down and reach level 9. So I just press continue, go to the App Store, play it till I'm level 9. So it's like a game. So I just got to go ahead and do that. And then I'll just go back to the list and do some more. So for me, I could do Travel Town, scanner app. This one's like install the app and open it. So just do a couple of them, guys. Then you'll get Modern Community mod in your phone. So have fun, guys. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you later. And yeah, it's super cool, guys. So peace out.